Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Friday, December 4th. Today we will be going over the research you did yesterday for the Victorian era. What did you discover about this era and about the author Charles Dickens? And so I'll be telling you a little bit about the Victorian era. There'll be a PowerPoint for you to go through that I've constructed, and you'll have some time to finish your research if you did not get a chance to do that yesterday. So we'll also be taking notes in our L&B. There will be a fill-in-the-blank notes assignment that you're going to complete over drama. Drama is a genre such as a play. So we'll be going over these slides, and then you'll be completing this fill-in-the-blank assignment. There'll be an assignment there for you as we go over the notes. So here are the notes that you will be filling in. It is a document in that assignment using the drama element slides. So here's what it looks like. So take a moment to watch this video over drama. Use the slides for the fill-in-the-blank notes in your folder. Look at the highlighted words to fill in the blanks on the document in your folder. Remember, you can pause the video so that you can take a look at those videos inserted. So a drama is a play for the theater, radio, or television. We'll be reading the play A Christmas Carol, but some other plays are such as A Raisin in the Sun. Shakespeare wrote many plays. The cast of characters are the people or creatures, sometimes they're animals, monsters, all kinds of things, cats, and a story that carry out the action. So the people that are acting on the stage is a cast of characters. A narrator is a special cast member that gives the audience members information about what is happening in the play. So you'll see a narrator that is not part of the action but comes out and offers extra information. So plays, dramas, are divided up into acts and scenes. So think of them kind of like as chapters. So you will have, in this case, there are 3 acts, but in Act 1 you have scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so an act is a larger section of the play, and then a scene are different smaller sections within acts. Stage directions tell the actors what to do, how to act, how to move, and normally they are in parentheses and sometimes in italics, but they are not to be spoken. So they're just extra directions for the actor. So in this case, Katie must sound amused. She might, while she's saying this, she'll think it's funny. Here it says she starts out, then turns in the doorway as something else strikes her. And so these are just directions on what to do as an actor, but they are not to be read out loud. Stage directions. Dialogue, you're familiar with this, the lines that the character speaks during the play. This, Katie is saying this dialogue. The setting is a location where the story takes place. Normally a drama will have multiple settings where they will turn the stage black, change the background, move the props. A lot of times they're on wheels, wheel them out and wheel new props in to set a new scene. So of course you understand the elements of plot. We've gone over this, and they follow the same elements of plot as a fiction genre. So they start with the introduction, they'll have a conflict, a rising action, a climax, a falling action, and a resolution. And then here you can see they're divided up by acts. A theme, you are aware of this, is a life lesson or a message that the playwright, who is the author of the play, seeks to share with the audience. So take a moment and watch this video, please. And that's all we have. And so if you need to take a moment to fill out your notes, all the answers will be here in the slide presentation. And there's going to be an Elements of Drama exit ticket that I need for you to complete so that you know what a drama is, and it's going to assess your knowledge on that. And then you're going to spend the rest of the time finishing your Victorian research. If you did not finish your cold reads tests from Tuesday and Thursday of this week, that is priority. Please, please, please get those done. And then go back and check your grades for any missing assignments and spend the rest of the time catching up on your grades and assignments. A lot of you need to finish turning in your 2 sketchbook pictures so that those can get graded. But that's all I have for you today, Gladiators. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.